Have you ever listened to Americans talk and heard strange vocabulary? In this series, I'm going to give you some of the most common and interesting words from the USA. I'm John, and today we're going to study American vocabulary. Buzzkill. Hannah and Jake are friends. They're remembering a recent beach party they attended. Do you remember how incredible the bonfire was at the beach party? Absolutely, Hannah. I just wish that park ranger hadn't shown up. I guess it was against the rules to start a fire on the beach. It was such a blast until then. Yeah, that really killed the mood. But there's another party next week. That's great. But if the park ranger shows up again, it'll be a huge buzzkill. Fingers crossed it doesn't happen. Quiz time. What does buzzkill mean? A terrible party? A great party? Someone who has power? Something that ruins the moment? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. Something that ruins the moment. Teaching moment. The word buzzkill is a combination of the words buzz and kill. Buzz in this situation refers to something very enjoyable or something with a lot of energy. Buzz is commonly a verb. This is typical with bees that fly around and create noise. We think of this as a lot of energy. We can use the verb buzz in other contexts, like the party is buzzing. There's a lot of good energy. Examples. Jake's negative attitude on the road trip made him a real buzzkill. My neighbor is such a buzzkill. He always complains about our barbecues. The sudden rain during the outdoor concert was a total buzzkill. Tom's constant phone checking was a buzzkill during dinner. English extras. This is extra information from the video. Rewatch the video to learn more. A bonfire. A small fire outside where people gather to talk. Show up. Appear. Kill the mood. Ruin the atmosphere. Fingers crossed. I hope. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class.